Good night. This will be Professor Dr.Dolphy Gilpin, and we are continuing with our engineering history. And where we left off, we were saying that did private pilot airplane and return a score of 84. And so we looked up and we say that now the element with atomic number 84 is polonium. And the most common isotope, 209, but the most common isotope would be PO with atomic weight of 210. And this polonium 210 has a half-life of 138.376 days. But we're looking at the toxicity of this polonium 210. And we have found out that in history that one Alexander lit Vine and Co. from Russia. Alexander Levine and Co. He was poisoned by polonium. Now he was poisoned in London. And he died by polonium poisoning. His wife also she was also poisoned, but I believe she survived. And I don't know what happened to her later. But Alexander Litkin Co, a Russian spy, as they say, he was poisoned by polonium in London and died. And the Russian government was accused of the plot to assassinate this Alexander Litvinenko. Another prominent person that was poisoned was Yasser Arafat. He was poisoned by polonium 210. No, the toxicity, just a little polonium can be very fatal. And we say that polonium is one of the most poisonous elements. And compared to plutonium compared with polonium, we'll find that polonium will be more poisonous. So there we have a little bit of history on this polonium poisoning. Alexander Litvinenko from Russia, and his wife also Yasser Arafat, died from polonium poisoning. And we say that polonium is more poisonous than plutonium. Well, I think we have about 33 different isotopes of polonium. But the one that is most common would be the polonium-210, which have the half-life of 138.376 days. So we have to watch out for this polonium and poisoning. It has taken out some very high-ranking official, that's Arafat, Alexander Litvinenko, and it's very poisonous.